Hello, my name is Maria Silva, and today I'm here to share my transformative experience with Sonofit. As someone who has faced hearing challenges over the years, finding an effective solution to improve my quality of life has been a long and challenging journey. But thanks to Sonofit, I finally found the relief I've been searching for. When I discovered Sonofit, I was intrigued by the promise of a natural solution for hearing problems. Like many of you, I've experienced the debilitating symptoms of progressive hearing loss, including constant ringing in the ears and difficulty hearing conversations clearly. The idea of an internal band-aid for the ear seemed innovative and promising. Digging deeper, I was impressed by the scientific basis behind Sonofit. I learned that hearing loss can be caused by inflammation in the eardrum due to the use of ototoxic medications, something I've experienced myself over the years. Sonofit promises to treat this inflammation, restoring hearing and relieving associated symptoms like ringing and dizziness. Sonofit's natural, high-quality ingredients, such as garlic oil, olive oil, and lavender, offer a safe and effective approach to hearing care. After starting to use Sonofit regularly, I began to notice a significant difference in my hearing and overall well-being. The ringing in my ears decreased, and I noticed a clarity and sharpness I hadn't experienced in years. Additionally, episodes of dizziness became less frequent, giving me a sense of stability and security I hadn't felt in a long time. If you're struggling with hearing problems and are looking for an effective and natural solution, I highly recommend Sonofit. It not only changed my life, but also restored my confidence and allowed me to reconnect with the world around me. Don't wait any longer to regain your hearing and rediscover the joy of listening. Try Sonofit today and take the first step towards a better and more vibrant life. Click the link below to take advantage of a special offer and take the first step towards a life with clear and crisp hearing. Don't let your hearing define your limits. Try Sonofit today and discover a new way of living.